Okay, you guys, I had to cut the video from yesterday short, okay? But we'll get back to it. So basically, when you get this pump, right, they give you this hose, and the hose will fit here, right? All right, the hose will fit here like a water hose going outwards, right? So this is your water hose side. So for you to put a water hose to your rain barrel, you will need a female to female connector, okay? You need it. Sorry, it is what it is. That's how come I couldn't finish the video. This was at Walmart. I mean, not Walmart. This was at Home Depot for $2. So I'm assuming Lowe's, you know, they in competition. So they should be the same price. I looked on Amazon last night. This thing was $8. No way in heck I was gonna pay $8 for this. So $2, I actually bought two. So for me to pay $80 for this, I think I would rather them not to even have this. They could have just put this in here because I have a hose already. Not too many people have a female to female laying around. Not no regular person, right? All right. And also yesterday, I figured out that this was like a suction vacuum. So you'll suck the water going in and then suck it out of your basement or wherever you got a little flood at. So this is a vacuum, okay? All right, so let's say this is your water hose. Y'all gonna see me do all this anyway, so let me go ahead and cut to the chase. Back, and like I said, we got both of the female connectors. Now, we could get back to doing what we was doing. So, we hook our pump up. All right, so this side says outlet going this way. So we're gonna take this part off. All right, so water comes in this way. Water comes in that way. So it gotta be hooked up like this. All right, and like I said, get yourselves a female connector, female to female. All right. We're gonna put it on our rain barrel. All right. All right. Maybe I should have straightened it out. Bear with me. Straighten this out a little bit more. All right. All right, so the hose they give you is almost like 3 foot long. Backing y'all up here so y'all can see. All right, you guys, and a lot of people don't know how to do this. Even somebody asked me, how do you get the water out the rain barrel? And I tell them they have to get a transfer pump. So you have your sub pump, your submarine pump, and a transfer pump. Those are the 3 pumps that I know about. So we're gonna hook up our pump and we are going to test this bad boy out. Okay, you guys, so we are back. Now you can hear the pump. The pump is, they say it's quiet. So this is my first pump, so I really don't know if this is loud. I guess y'all could let me know. All right. So with that being said, this is okay. All right, so what I would have to do is water it more in sections, because I'm getting a good amount of area with this. I actually like the amount of area it's doing right now. Let me go ahead and fix this. I'm gonna have it go all the way. All right, so when I'm using the hose that's coming straight from my house, it reaches all the way to the fence, and it reaches almost to the other side of the fence. This is a 4,500 square foot coverage. So right now it's reaching probably like midway right here, and then when it comes all the way back, as y'all can see, it's getting right there, right on the line of this shed right here. So I wish I had a pressure tester. I think, yeah, I should get that next. I'll get a pressure tester and test the pressure out on this, but this is 1.8 gallons. So this is what 400 and what they say, 450, I think 450 gallons per hour look like when it's coming out of your sprinkler from the transfer pump. Okay, so all right, let's get down to the bottom of this. I thought this was broke, okay, and I was going to return it back to Harbor Freight. Come to find out that my plug got stuck in the outlet on over there. So the other side of the plug is in the outlet. So I will have to shut the electric off to get that out, because I don't want to get electrocuted. So with that being said, this is the review of the transfer pump, and I got a whole bunch of water. Oh no, I'm all the way down here now. So yeah, I mean, this is pretty good. I'm gonna look on Amazon to see if I can find something more powerful. So this is 1.8 horsepower at 80 bucks. I'm gonna see if I could get something a little bit more powerful to get a little bit more coverage. But with this, all I gotta do is just move it to different sections. So yeah, that's the review of this drum, the Drummond water pump from Harbor Freight. Like, comment, and please subscribe.